1. Basically, we get into router 2, and we need to be into config mode, which we conveniently already are. Let's just do our IPv6 unicast routing. Oh, I already did it. Okay. Now for this one, we're going to be going from router 2 to router 1, but we're going to be making this a fully attached, so we're going to have to use a serial interface with this. So from router 1 to router 2 to router 1, we're going to be using this serial interface that's going to be in between the hop address and the IP address that we're going to use. This will be the IP address we use, and I'll show you what the hop number we're going to use. So IPv6 route, which is 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon 1 colon colon 8 colon 1 colon 1 colon backward slash 64. And I already showed you the interface that we were working with, and that's going to be the 01, so we just need S. Let's see here. Double look at this. Yeah. Space S 0/0/0, and then space again, which the hop address will be this one right. Get out of here. Come. I hate that. Which will be this one right here. Okay. All right. 000 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon A001 colon 1. There we go. That just gave us a directly attached and fully specified static route on number 2. Configure a fully specified route from router 2 to router 3. In order to do that, we can stay here in router 1, that's just fine, but no, actually stay here in router 2, that's just fine. And this time we gotta go IPv6 route 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon 3 colon /64 S0/0/1, and it'll be that interface because that's the one between router 2 and 3. The address is going to be 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon A002 colon 2. There you go. So see, now we're already 50 out of 60 done. We got that configured. Now we want to configure a default route on router 3. And to show you the interface that I was talking about, guys, that we use, it's right there. So let's go into router 3 and set up our default route. And let's see here. Oh yeah, that's my mess up. You know what? I'm just gonna exit out that because it just scares me when I do things wrong. Conf T. Okay, in this part, we're doing our default route. And basically, we want to get our IPv6 unicast routing. Okay? And now we want to enter a default route, which is going to be IPv6 dot /0 space S0/0/1. That'll be the serial interface we use in between the router 2 and 3. So the IP we're going to use is what's in between R2 and 3. 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon A002 colon 1. Oh, darn it, it did one little thing. I hate this command. Okay, what? So picky. IPv6 colon. Maybe there's a space in between here. I don't know. I had troubles with this one last time too. IPv6 colon space /0 S0/0/1 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon A002 colon 1. Well, it's one different, so maybe that's right. And now it's still gonna say it's an invalid. Let's see here what I did down here. Get right back with you guys. I gotta see how he did this. Alright, I discovered what my problem was real quick. When I was trying to get this, you had to put IPv6 route. I didn't put my route. But the space with the colon /0 space S0/S/0/1 and then 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon A002 colon 1 is the configuration you need to put a default route on router 3. As you can see, we're at 60% on our configurations. Now we just need to verify static route configurations. Which command is used to verify an IPv6 configuration on a PC? The answer to that is go to the PC1 command prompt and type in ipconfig y'all. So we'll go to PC1, show you how this works. Put this down here a little bit. Let's see here, get out of that real quick. Alright, go to PC1, go to the command prompt. On the command prompt, type in ipconfig space all. Make sure I did that right. ipconfig /all. Okay, and right there, this is going to show our link local IP address, which is right here, which is the FE80 colon 20A colon F3FF colon FE15 colon 580C. That is the command that will verify your IPv address. Now it wants us to ask us which command displays the IPv6 address configured on a router's interface. In order to discover that, we got to go to router. I'm going to go to router 1 since that's the one we did all our stuff on. And just stay in privilege mode. Don't go in the global mode. And pretty much all we need to type in is show IPv6 interface brief. Okay, and this shows all the gigabytes and the serials that we've done. Gigabyte 00 is up, administratively down 01, up. That's fine. That's what we wanted to see. Then it says in C, which command displays the contents of IPv6 routing? That's pretty easy. We'll just go right into R1 again, and it's show IPv6 route. Show IPv6 route. And that shows us a lot of information. Just hit enter to get out of it. And now the only thing we have left, after it shows everything that we've done, is just to test our connectivity. So we're going to go on the PC1. And there's many ways you can test the connectivity. We can just go ping, and we can enter the ID address, which is 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon 2 colon F, and that's how you ping it. Oh, well, I did it wrong. Let's see here. To ping 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon 2. It's double colon, and then we're good. Okay, there we go. Now it's pinging and replying and going to the next thing we need to do. There's another way you can do it too. You can do tracert with the IPv6 address. Just type in tracert, and then it would be the same address, 2001 DB8 colon 1 colon 2 colon F. Let me double check that. And then you know. Okay, so that verifies that it's pinging, and we're doing good on that. Now let's just explain what the packet does when it travels. It travels from PC1 to switch 1 to router 1 to router 2, from router 2 to switch 2, from switch 2 to PC2. Now when it's doing it another way to PC3, it goes from PC1 to switch 1 to router 2 to router 3 to switch 3 and PC3. And that is basically our activity. Any comments and questions you guys have, please feel free to let me know. And that is the packet tracer video. Thank you.